welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to quickly talk you through and give you my thoughts and my reviews on these oils that I've been using and loving recently. These are from Royalry Essentials. This one is their rose gold oil and this one is their Revitalizing Eye Serum. I have been using these two for almost a week now, like I think over a week now, and I have to say it is like amazing. I'm absolutely in love with these oils. I have been using oils and incorporated oils in my daily routine for a very long time now, since the time I remember or I was introduced to this concept of oils, and I have been loving them in my routine. And this one I tried out and I have to say I absolutely love it. It is so refreshing. It is so nourishing. The smell of it is beautiful. It just gives you a very relaxing kind of a feel. Very luxurious smell. Okay, so let me just give you a quick brief on what it is. And so the rose gold oil is a luxurious blend of 5 essential oils with 24 karat gold flakes, vitamin E, and it is 100% organic. And the eye serum is a revitalizing eye serum, which is a botanical blend of plant extracts enriched with cold press oils and vitamin E. So these are the bottles. Okay, they are so cute bottles. Very good packaging. Okay, so it comes in a drop form like that, so it becomes very easy to use them. Okay, and you always make sure you want to shake the bottle before you use it, because all the ingredients, the gold flakes would settle down, so you want to mix it, shake it well before you use it. The rose gold oil has these gold flakes in it. Very pretty. So for now, I want to say the eye serum, I've been using it for over a week now, but I cannot say much about it right now because I still want to use it more to give my proper thoughts and reviews on it. But whatever I've used and how much I've used, I absolutely love it. So I like to use it I just like to apply 2 drops under my eyes, pat it, take my ring finger, just pat it and give a nice massage. So this is so relaxing. So this is usually I use it in the night time just before going off to bed. So when I'm prepping my skin for bed, this is when I like to use it, and it is so refreshing and it is so nourishing, and it feels very good on your eyes. And the massage with it just relaxes your whole the whole stress that is going on with the eyes throughout the day. So I absolutely love it. About the rose gold oil, oh my god, this is a multi-use oil. Absolutely love it. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of Instagram videos and this and that, oils being used in so many different ways. And yes, if it does all good to you, then why not? So this one in particular, I really like it because firstly the smell of it is divine. It smells rose and it just feels so relaxing. Okay, I love using this in the morning once and in the night time. So morning after shower, I just like to use this like a drop or 2 or 3 drops in my moisturizer and apply it all over my face. And in the night time, I would get rid of all my makeup. So once I've removed all my makeup, what I would do is I would just straight away cleanse my face, and I would just use my toner, and after that I would use this straight on my face, and I would give a nice massage to my face. And it just feels, the next day morning my skin feels beautiful. Okay, it has the real 24 karat gold flakes in it. It also has the anti-aging benefits, so it's absolutely lovely, and it just smells like a rose, and real rose, and you just feel so, and it is so soothing during night time. Sleeping with this is so soothing because you get that very spa kind of a feel when you've applied all these oils on your face, and absolutely love it. So highly recommend it. And I also love mixing this with my foundation. It just gives that beautiful glow to my foundation. Okay, all the matte foundation as well, the ones which are really thick, and you really have to work very hard with it, like a Huda foundation. It's really thick. So I really like mixing this with my foundation and applying it all over my face, and it just gives a beautiful glow. Okay, if not with the foundation, I would just apply it before, like underneath the foundation, and it just gives that beautiful hydrated glow to your face, and the foundation blends in so well. So absolutely love it. Okay, this one retails at, I believe, 900 rupees. The eye serum retails at 500 rupees. Okay, so this is for a 15 ml bottle. Okay, they are also coming up with something new in their range, so kindly wait for the updates. You can always go and follow them on their Instagram page for all the updates. I think some diamond oil is coming out. Okay, so I'm very eager to try that as well. Okay, so absolutely love it. I would highly recommend you guys to try this out. Before I leave, I also want to tell you guys I'm collaborating with Royalry Essentials for a giveaway, and one lucky winner would win products worth ₹3,000 from them. So which is very exciting, super exciting. I'm very excited for that. I hope you guys are excited as well. So the giveaway post is going to go live very soon on my profile, so you want to make sure that you follow me on Instagram and you follow Royalry Essentials on Instagram, and yes, participate in the giveaway, and yeah, stand a chance to win products worth ₹3,000. So yes, do give this a try, highly recommend it. Okay, and I would see you guys very soon. Bye.